Introduction. Why most people miss this opportunity. Let's be real. Everyone's chasing the next big thing. But what if the business model that could make you $100,000 per month has been hiding in plain sight? Today, I'm breaking down this overlooked gold mine step by step so you can start building it yourself. Step 1. Pick a high profit, low competition niche. The secret? Focus on underserved markets where people need results. Here are some ideas. Home services, contractors, roofers, plumbers, landscapers, remodelers, local brick and mortar businesses, gyms, dental clinics, chiropractors, medical spas, high ticket services, real estate agents, law firms, financial advisors. Why this works? These businesses rely on appointments and sales calls to survive. If you can bring them consistent pre qualified leads, they'll gladly pay $3,000 to $10,000 per month for that. Practical step. Pick one niche from this list and research 5 to 10 local businesses in your area. Check their websites, Google reviews, and social media presence to see who's missing a lead generation system. Step 2. Build an AI powered lead generation system. Forget outdated methods. Businesses want results now, and AI can deliver faster than any human. Here's how to set it up. 1. Run targeted Facebook and Google ads. Focus on ready to buy local leads. 2. AI chatbot qualifies leads. Automatically asks preset questions to weed out time wasters. 3. AI caller books the appointment. Calls leads instantly and books appointments on the client's calendar. 4. Follow up automation. AI sends reminders and follows up with no shows to rebook. Result. Your clients only talk to ready to buy customers. They win, you win. Practical step. Use a tool like AdSpy to find winning ad creatives in your niche. Then set up a basic meta ads campaign targeting local homeowners with an offer like free estimate, limited spots this month. Step 3. Charge a high ticket recurring fee. Here's where most people mess up. They charge too little. Businesses will pay a premium for consistent, predictable growth. Pricing model breakdown. $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Small home service businesses, plumbers, landscapers. $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Mid-sized businesses, gyms, clinics, law firms. $10,000 to $25,000 per month. High-ticket services or multi-location businesses. Pro tip: position your offer as a revenue growth system, not a marketing service. Businesses pay more when they see it as a profit generating machine. Practical step: reach out to 10 businesses in your niche and ask, if I could bring you 20 to 30 extra clients a month, would that be worth $5,000 per month to you? Get a feel for demand before you even build the system. Step 4: track results and show ROI. If you can prove your system works, clients won't ever leave. Here's how to track performance. Leads generated: how many leads are coming in? Appointments booked: how many leads actually book calls? Revenue generated: show how much money they make from those leads. Pro tip: use a simple dashboard like Go High Level or Lead Connector so clients can see their ROI in real time. Practical step: set up a free Google Sheet to track results manually for your first client. Once you have proof of success, upgrade to an automated dashboard. Step 5: automated scale repeat. Once you get one client results, here's how to scale to $100,000 per month. Get testimonials and case studies. Happy clients make sales easier. Offer exclusivity: one client per industry per city to create FOMO. Outsource fulfillment. Hire virtual assistants or use white label AI agencies to handle delivery. Focus on sales and growth. Your job becomes closing deals and keeping clients happy. Practical step: create a basic Loom video walking through your system and success results. Use that video to pitch new clients faster. Final thoughts: time to take action. The truth: this is the exact model agencies are using to scale past $100,000 per month, but they won't tell you. If you're tired of chasing low paying clients and one off projects, this is your wake up call. Ready to build this system for yourself? Book a free strategy call with me. I'll walk you through exactly how to get started. Links in the description. See you on the call.